Anxious? Foggy? Tired? What if your gut is the hidden culprit? In this video, we'll reveal the gut-friendly habits that reset your mood and sharpen your mind. Copy these 5 gut hacks to stop anxiety. Have you ever had a gut feeling about something, and then it turned out to be right? Your gut's not just a food processor. It's basically an early warning system for your brain. And right now, it might be low-key, screaming at you. If you've been feeling anxious, burned out, foggy, tired, or all the above, your gut might be part of the problem. And the solution. The gut-brain hotline. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication, like weird psychic roommates. This system is called the gut-brain axis. It's basically a two-way communication superhighway made up of the vagus nerve, which is like a direct line between your brain and gut, your immune system, which reacts to everything, not just viruses, but even emotional stress or poor diet. It acts like the border patrol between your gut and brain, deciding what gets through and what gets flagged. If things go sideways, it can trigger inflammation both in your belly and your brain. And your gut microbiome, aka trillions of bacteria, yeast, and microbes digesting your food, stabilizing your mood, and texting your brain when something's off. These microbes do way more than help you digest. They make vitamins, reduce inflammation, and even produce mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin. In fact, around 90% of serotonin is made in your gut. So if your gut is out of balance, it's not just a digestion problem. It can literally affect how you think, feel, sleep, and react to stress. Gut health and mental health. Here's where it gets interesting and a little scary. When your gut microbiome gets messed up, usually from stress, antibiotics, ultra-processed foods, too much alcohol, or that week-long iced coffee diet, it creates something called dysbiosis. Dysbiosis equals gut chaos. Bad bacteria take over, inflammation kicks in, your immune system gets cranky and starts sounding alarms, the kind that echo into your mood, your energy, your focus, and all of that can send your brain into survival mode. Studies have linked poor gut health to anxiety, depression, brain fog, chronic fatigue, and even early signs of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Your gut is literally sending SOS signals to your brain. And what do you feel? Burnout, exhaustion, maybe sadness you can't explain, like you're emotionally hungover even though nothing big happened. The good news, you can reset it. Copy these 5 gut-friendly habits that reset your mood and sharpen your mind. Each habit is important on its own, but the more you combine, the more you can supercharge the results. 1. Eat whole, colorful, fiber-rich foods. Your gut bacteria love fiber. It's their favorite snack. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts. It's like feeding the good guys so they can keep your inner ecosystem balanced. 2. Include prebiotics plus probiotics. Both prebiotics and probiotics can benefit your digestive health on their own, but they really shine when paired together. Probiotics are live microorganisms, like good bacteria, found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, sourdough bread, and some cheeses. They can help balance your gut flora, improve digestion, and even support immunity. Prebiotics are fibers that act as food for those good bacteria. You'll find them in onions, asparagus, mushrooms, bananas, oats, and more. Together, they help your gut microbiome thrive, which sends happier signals to your brain. 3. Sleep, for real. Your gut microbes have circadian rhythms just like you. Disrupted sleep can throw their cycles off, messing with digestion, hormone production, and even your immune response. So, when you're staying up too late, your gut's not just tired, it's confused. 4. Move your body. Exercise isn't just about burning calories, it's about getting your systems talking to each other again. Movement activates the vagus nerve, improves blood flow to your gut, and helps keep your digestive muscles active, meaning less bloating, more balance, and smoother gut-brain communication. Even a 20-minute walk after a meal can help regulate your digestion and your mood. 5. Reduce stress. Chronic stress doesn't just feel awful. It chemically changes how your gut operates. It can cause your digestive system to slow down or speed up. Hello, unpredictable bathroom situations. Increase gut permeability, leaky gut, and disrupt your microbiome balance. Think of stress as static noise in your gut-brain radio. The more you can dial it down with breathwork, therapy, creative expression, or just turning off your phone for once, the clearer the signal gets. So, if you've been feeling anxious, foggy, or tired and nothing seems to fix it, try looking a little lower. Maybe your gut just needs love and attention. As always, we'll link BrainHook's freebies and e-guides below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more critical body and mind content from BrainHooks. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Anxiety isn't always what it seems. In the next video, you'll see why you might actually be a highly sensitive person. Watch next to find out.